just created this link tree so it's easier for you guys to contact me. You can do so through my Instagram or my crypto Twitter that I've just recovered. If you want to support me as a creator, you can do so over here and just send in a thank you message. Thank you guys. This is a very important Hbar update today, so please listen carefully. We're going to discuss, okay, where Hbar could potentially be going down to, the key levels that it just should hold to continue up, to head towards 15, 20 and 30 cents. Yes, I know that sounds so ridiculous because that's over 2x away from here, 2-3x. But as long as it holds this key level of support, that is the 5-month low of last year, we should actually continue higher. I know that sounds ridiculous because look at price ever since its top over here, it's come down 30%. But what I've been saying consistently since up here is that we can come down all the way from the top down to here 50%. We can afford to, you're allowed to do it, simply because this should have acted as your bear market resistance, because we lost this 5-month bottom, signaling potentially the bottom is in, and then with FTX capitulating, the bottom is no longer in. All you're doing is flipping this area into resistance to continue with your bear market, correct? Because in a bear market, we're following all the bear market things. So any bearish patterns, it should go down. The only time bearish things don't work is in a bull market. In a bull market, we're going up and up and up. And every time we see a bearish pattern, it's a scam. It's a trick to get us out of the market. And it eventually goes higher and higher and higher. So looks like we're rolling over. Sell your cryptos. Well, we eventually went higher. Looks like we're rolling over. Big sell signal, guys. Look at that. That for me, you know, signaling a top. Let's see it play out. Let me sell. Let me get out of crypto completely. And then we're expecting it, you know, to come back down to here or even back down to here. And what happens? It just continues higher. So all these are tricks. They're scams to make you sell, to get out. So that's what happens in bull markets. So why is that happening down here when Hbar was clearly in a bear market? It clearly lost the 5-month, 6-month support or bottom. FTX was clearly a scam. So all these factors in play, signaling we should continue lower and lower and lower and lower. And then we randomly pumped through what was already being confirmed as resistance. Luckily enough, I've gone through this so many times in the last week, but I just need to keep, I know it's annoying, I keep like, why is Louis keep talking about this stupid wick? It's because you need to understand, as we were pumping into that zone, this is resistance, we should dump from here because this is the bear market. FTX, the second biggest exchange, was a scam. We lost the low. When you come back into the low, especially for the first time, we reject it. What happened the direct next day? Boom, invalidate. We're now back above it. We invalidate the downside. These things only happen when the market is bullish. In a bull market, I just showed you in the past where we had, oh, look at that nasty topping signal. Oh my gosh, this is going to return back down to here. And probably look at the moving averages, probably going to come all the way back down to these levels. And then what happens? Sideways correction. You don't go anywhere. So this is what happens in a bull market. All these are scams. Look, so many people were cussing me up in the comments saying, Louis, that's an M pattern. Why are you not calling for this M pattern? That's one top and that's a second top. Why are you not saying this is an M pattern? And then what happened? It wasn't an M pattern. It went up. So this is what happens in a bull market. I'm not saying, oh, we're in a bull market. I'm just, you know, saying all these points. It's down for you to come to your own conclusions. That's all this video is here for, to help you, to then you overlay this on your work, or you overlay your work on top of this and you come to your own conclusions. You don't just blindly follow. Of course not. But in the last updates, of course, since the top here, we were saying we can come back down to this green box. It seems as if all we've done so far is return to this golden pocket. Now, this was marked over here, and I'll show you why I wasn't calling for the M pattern, because while people were correct in saying this has come into this area once, now twice, you need to lose the neckline. But not only that, we've drawn this golden pocket out here, and so I've measured this big dump for it to tell me we're getting pulled towards here to continue lower. This is what I was saying back then. But if you close above this, you create the reversal wave and you head to the 1618, 9.5 to 10 cent, and no recognition in the comments, guys, although that's what we were calling for. Come on, recognize it in the comments. Let me know if you took those trades. Let me know. There's no comments anymore. The only way we grow as a community is comments, likes, and even if the comment is an emoji or a dot or an ABC or whatever it is, just get more comments on the videos, get more likes, turn the notification bell on, and share the videos if you can. I understand if you don't know anyone that knows crypto, that's more than fine. Just try and do the work for me, because I'm always here every day in the weekday doing the work for you guys completely free, and I don't have to. So that's why I just appreciate, it's completely free. Just smash the like button, bump that algorithm for me. So this golden pocket over here, we're just returning to it as support. That's just resetting, because we can't just go up in a straight line towards the 2 targets. You can, but of course the momentum died down with that wick. I love those wicks. We were saying break above this, we're continuing up, lose this, and we're going back down to the golden pocket. Well, as you see, we lost that wick and we're now back at the golden pocket. Everything that I've been saying is playing out. Now, I'm not saying, oh, I only said this case. No, I look at all the cases and we play the case that happens. So, oh, Louis said it was going up or down. But the fact is, guys, I'm giving you the levels for the validation of those. So this is your wick low. If you close below this, we are going down to the golden pocket. It closed below this, it's going out. But equally, at the same time, I was saying, if you close above this, we're going up. Now, if we close above this, we are going up. Did we close above it? No, so we're not going up. But I'm going to need to prepare you when we're trapped in between, right? So that's why I prepared. So if we lose this, we go to the golden pocket. Now, as I mentioned in the last updates, if we lose this golden pocket, we've got a level below over here. This one over here on the 0 fib level. So yes, we need price to hold this as support if in the short term we want to see 10.5 to 11.5 cents. And what I could also do is measure from the top here to the bottom. I just don't know this is the bottom yet. I need to see price going up, but that's also signaling for around 12 cents. So all we need to simply do on the daily time frame, hold these key moving averages that we're running to now as support for the continuation higher. It's actually fine if we lose this. How does that make sense? If we lose the support of the moving averages, how is that bullish? Because the only level that truly matters is this golden pocket down here. I will make it gold actually. So there you go. All that matters is this golden pocket over here. As long as you're above this golden pocket, we should head to 14.5 cents to 20 cents, 25, 28 cents. That might sound annoying, but simply, what did we do here? We measured this dip. It's not meant to push through here. It did. It created the reversal wave, which signals that we head to our targets. So we are yet to meet our targets since breaking the high. The first one being the 1272 over here. We're yet to meet it. However, if you don't believe in that, I will show you basically the same thing, just in a smaller case. We measure the dump. You're meant to run into this as resistance and dump from there. But we didn't. We created the reversal wave. And with that, we head to these targets over here. And you can actually dump to the golden pocket and still go up to the 2 targets. So literally all I've said in this video and the last updates on the smaller scale is what I'm saying on the larger scale over here. All you need to do is push through this golden pocket and we're going to 10 cent, 14 cent, 20 cent, 28 cent. Simply just by being above 5.5 to 6 cents, we are still continuing up there. I don't care if we're at 7 cent right now and tomorrow we're at 5.5 cent. I'll still be saying the same thing. As long as we're above 5.5 cent, we're going up to 14 to 20 and to 25 and to 30 cents. As long as we remain above this. The moment we close below this, 20 cent is not happening, 30 cent is not happening. Yes, that sounds so annoying, but this is how I trade through validation and invalidation points. The invalidation point of 30 cent is a loss of 5.5 cent, which was pretty much our summer bottom. If we're going ahead and losing our summer bottom again, we're not going to 25 and 30 cent. If we hold our summer bottom, we are going up there. Thank you guys for tuning in. Please do like, subscribe, and comment. I'm going to show you how you can take action on the course right now, but please follow my Twitter, follow my new Instagram, and I'm going to show you how to do it right now. Thank you guys. So I'll quickly show you guys how you take action, whether you want to support me or take action on the course or the mentorship. Simply hit this link tree over here on my homepage. It will then take you to over here where you can obviously just come from my YouTube. This is my crypto Twitter. I've just got it back, so help me reach 2,000 followers over there. I will be doing a 5,000 subscriber giveaway for my course over there. Free course giveaway will be on my crypto Twitter, so make sure you're following me there. I've just opened up an Instagram for anyone that's not on crypto Twitter, or not on Twitter, sorry. For those that just have Instagram, you can private message me over there to get started on the course or the mentorship. You do get the chat with both options as well. If you just want to support me as a creator, that's through here. But going back to my homepage, you can just simply click the Twitter button here, just to quickly go to Twitter, or you can click this section. Now, this section is a little bit different. Again, you can buy me a beer if you want. I know a lot of you have said that in the past. We're going to bookings over here. You can get the one-to-one mentorship. It goes through it, as well as the crypto course over here. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Make sure you do like, subscribe, and comment, and I'll catch you in the next update. Peace.